Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. Changeover, and we have a gapping move lower, which today the market is already trying to fill. In some way, I suppose the much lower open ties in with the recent combined key reversal down and bearish Harami. What was interesting about yesterday's action was how the market dropped down below the significant congestion zone between 115.70 to 120 even, dating from 2012, 2013 and 2017, and also having the 50% Fibonacci line for March within it at 118.01. This puts at further risk the targets of the two recent descending triangle patterns formed since March. Potential targets on the top side for these descending triangles, as well as for the double stroke triple bottoms formed over the same period, are for the larger March to April descending triangle, potential primary target X1 in the 132.10 area, but harder to get secondary target X2 in the 147.30 area. And for the smaller March to April descending triangle, the harder to get secondary target X4 in the 129.20 area. At the same time, for the double stroke triple bottom, there's a potential target X5 in the 126.5 area. Now, so far today, as I've already mentioned, changeover. And prices went down to test the November 2021 today uptrend, currently at 108.62, though I suspect it was more to test the congestion zone between 106.79 to 108.62, dating from 2014. There's enough support there that prices have moved up over the rising medium moving average, currently 110.33, but not as yet tested the overhead flatlining short medium moving average, and that's currently at 113.30. Spot gold. A fifth bearish black crow yesterday, and the lowest low since mid-May. The market dropped down through the support at 1807, but closed right on it. It was still a follow-on low to the recent key reversal down that was disguised as an indecisive spinning top. Support was given by the declining middle time, currently at 1797, of the breached early March to late April bearish shift pitchfork. Now, below the middle time, we have some congestion at 1789. Plus the May low at 1787, an interesting congestion zone between 1779 and 1784. Two final things. I've been tempted to draw a fresh bearish mid-April to mid-June bearish shift pitchfork. The market's currently between the upper time at 1835 and the middle time below at 1759. Secondly, there is an argument for the December 2021 today action being a possible really big head and shoulders pattern. We are in the final days of forming the second shoulder. So far today, a strong move lower, right from the open, with what looks like a bearish opening long black Mariboso that has dropped through the middle time and is testing the previously mentioned interesting congestion zone between 1779 and 1784. This goes a long way to help in forming the head and shoulders pattern mentioned earlier. Thank you for listening. The short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here comes the final bit.